Guys, welcome to this Olaplex number 3 review before and after. So I have before and after pictures and footage of what this product did to my naturally straight and very fine hair. So this product is marketed as a bond builder, and it claims to repair and strengthen the hair and to restore healthy appearance and texture to the hair. And I was curious actually how it even works. Like, what does bond builder even mean? So I actually went and researched it, and in case you guys are curious, your hair is made up of proteins that are bound together, but when you do chemical treatments to it, like dyeing it or perming it or any kind of heat damage, you break up the proteins and you break up the bonds between the proteins, and that's what causes your hair to look damaged, basically. And there is a patented molecule in this that basically creates another bond between the proteins. So it like rebonds the broken up proteins, and then that's what makes the hair repaired. So that's basically how it works. And if you guys are curious, I'll link the article below that explains exactly how this works, like goes into the chemistry and everything. So yeah, that's how it works, and I gave it a go. I've been using it for 12 weeks now, and I am really happy with it. This is not a like deep conditioning treatment. It is a repair treatment. So you can only use it max 2 to 3 times per week. And I basically followed all the instructions on the bottle. I made my hair damp by spraying it, and then I kind of dried it with a towel, and then I put like a very generous amount on my hair, and I distributed it with a wide tooth comb so it was evenly distributed. Then I put it up in a bun and like walked around my house for like, I don't know, half an hour to an hour. They recommend 10 minutes or more, I believe. Then I just went into the shower as usual, shampooed and conditioned my hair as usual, and then blow dried it on low as usual. And my first impression of it is that, oh yeah, this stuff definitely works. It definitely does change the texture of your hair. It adds body and it adds bulk, and your hair feels stronger. It doesn't necessarily feel softer or shinier, okay? I didn't notice that it felt softer or shinier. In fact, it did feel a little bit stiffer, but it's not like your hair just feels like straw. It just didn't feel as flimsy as it normally does, because it adds bulk and it adds body, because it's repairing the little protein bonds in your hair. It really did make my hair fuller and thicker and just more like oomph. And I've been using it now maybe once every week-ish, max. Sometimes I've even waited a couple weeks. Now, I've found over the past 12 weeks that I've been using it that if I wait like 2 weeks, my hair kind of just reverts like back to how it was before. Like, it's not as full or as voluminous. So it's not like it just keeps making your hair more and more voluminous. It's like you gotta keep using it in order to keep the volume in your hair. Just keep that in mind. Like, I want to be totally honest with you guys, but it really actually does work to increase the volume of your hair. Price wise, it does seem a little bit expensive. You can get it on Amazon for $28. I'll link it below if you want to check it out. And you get a little 3.3 ounce bottle, and like really this doesn't really look, it really doesn't look all that big. But okay, I've used about a third of the product and I bought this in March. It's now mid-June, so you are gonna get quite a few months out of it as long as you don't have insane amounts of hair. It is also paraben free, sulfate free, so which is great because sulfate's really bad for your hair, it really dries your hair out, and it's also vegan and cruelty free if any of you are curious. So yeah, in all, I totally recommend this product in order to boost volume and repair the hair and improve the texture and just add a lot of body. So if you have fine, flat hair like I do, I think you really will be happy with the results of this product. And it's a great product and it does exactly what it claims to do. Hey guys, if you enjoy beauty experiments such as this, I have lots to come, so subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!